Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website PortDr.net. I'm on the homepage, and I really love that you're telling right away what you're offering, also showing your product. So, air plans, meditation, obviously, call to action linked to your collections, which is perfect. Obviously, contact details, so it builds trust, free shipping information, contact details, professional email address. So that's really good. The above default is perfectly optimized for the conversion and for building trust, and you've got featured product here. Okay, that's perfect, and nicely optimized titles as well. Beautiful product images, so authentic. They look good quality, and they look like shot by you, nicely styled. So that's really nice. Okay, the footer is also beautifully organized with social media, extra links, linking to your store collections and policies. So that's perfect. Okay, you open social media links in your tab, so that's great as well. Now let's have a look at the collection and product page. The collection page looks great because you've got three items and you've got this white area here. Maybe you can change the settings so it displays three items per row instead of four. I think that the setting of this collection or of this collections list is to display four items per row, which leaves you with this kind of white area. So change it to three items per row. So those three items will be centered. They will be stretched across the full width of the screen, so it will look much more professional. The collection page looks great. You've got short introduction, but not too long, so I can still see the products above default, which is excellent. The product titles are SEO friendly and detailed, so that's really good job for SEO. Okay, let's have a look at the product page. Product page also looks great. You got add to cart within your colors. I only noticed that the search bar is kind of it doesn't display correctly. It feels like the layout isn't set out correctly. I understand that the cart should be on the right and the search bar should be really much wider and located somewhere here. So make sure to change the settings. It feels like it just needs a bit of tweaking. So if you need help with it, obviously let me know. I do offer those kind of Shopify taskers, small tweaks. So I'd be happy to fix that for you. It will take like an hour. However, the product page is nicely optimized. You've got SEO-friendly product descriptions. I would also add related products so people know they can browse other items without clicking back and forth. And I can also see that this, as I scroll down, the sticky menu, as you can see, the logo the logo kind of moves down and it covers the rest of the menu items. Can you see that? So it covers completely cut off the menu, so it definitely needs attention. It definitely needs optimization because it will affect sales. It will definitely affect how people browse your website, how people find your product. So I recommend fixing it ASAP. So let me know, because I feel that this is something that will definitely be limiting you in growing forward. So let me know and I will be happy to fix it for you. Okay, the us page looks great. Consider also adding short paragraph here, such as fill in the form below or contact us at this email address. So it will be much more approachable. It will result in more people contacting you as well. The Our Story page looks great. You've got plenty of engaging photos showing your travels, where you've been, so on. But it would be great to show them higher on the page. It feels like they are kind of pushed to the bottom of the page, but you can incorporate them within the content so people can see you had such a great experience traveling, and obviously you've got authority in growing airplanes, so you've got knowledge of this. So this is really nicely nicely set out, I think it's Bali, isn't it? Nicely set out page. It just needs optimization, needs layout optimization, SEO optimization with H tags, with internal links to make it a little bit more user friendly and more SEO friendly as well. Shipping policy, consider adding more content here, because I remember you mentioned that you offer free shipping on orders over $60, but obviously people will want to know how much is the shipping on smaller orders, whether you ship worldwide. So make sure to cover all of this information in the shipping policy. It's very, very important trust signal with, with any questions being left that people don't know if, how much is the delivery, how long is the shipping, whether you ship worldwide. I don't think you do, because it's only 1-3 business days. So I assume it's only within USA. So remember to specify. I know there's click here for more details. However, it takes to USPS. Okay, it opens a new tab, so this is perfect. Make sure to have specified policy on your page. This is really, really important trust signal, and it will help your boost sales. It will help your conversion rates as well. Your SEO score is 52 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet, for some reason, it tells about table decor, glass balls. I understand that you changed the niche to airplane. So make sure to update the Google snippets, because it will definitely affect sales if someone clicks to your website and expecting to buy home decor. It will result in high bounce rate, because they will quickly leave, and obviously it won't allow you to be found in more relevant search results. You will be found in Google search results for table decor, which will not help you, because you will not be driving traffic from from people searching for airplanes. So definitely work on the SEO, work on Google snippets, work on meta title, meta description to be found in relevant search results to drive traffic from people who are more likely to buy. And obviously, the meta description also needs optimization as well. The heading tags need attention. Your H1 tag, again, it is if you're selling beach themed tea light holders, is something that I didn't see on the website. I thought you specialize in airplanes. So if you are selling mainly home decor, make sure to organize the content on the homepage and across your collections a little bit better, because I had an impression that you are selling airplanes, so it's a little bit confusing. However, H1 tag should be at the top, then going in the right order to H2, H3, H4, because the tags are a little bit all over the place at the moment. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.